Okay, this is multiplying fractions. Go ahead and read through it, underline what you think is important, and then come back to us. Please make sure that you find the page number in your table of contents. Okay, so this is what I would have highlighted, multiplying the numerators, product of the denominators, and we're going to go ahead and write in the side notes our instructions. When you multiply fractions, I like to just say multiply straight across. Multiply straight across. Right? So if you look at the example right here, we're multiplying straight across. 2 times 3 in the numerator is 6. 3 times 4 in the denominator is 12. And then you simplify to 1/2. Right? Same thing for this example right here. 4 times 3 gives you 12 in the numerator. 7 times 5 gives you 35 in the denominator. And that one you cannot simplify. So if you think about the giant ones that we've been doing, you just multiply straight across, right? The bottom part tells us why it works. So right here, this part is the why it works. Okay, so we teach you the how to do it. We teach you the why it works. And what they do right here is they make this box because this part is saying 2/3 of 3/4, right? You want 2/3 of 3/4. So you make the rectangle using the denominators, right? So here, right here, this is 1, 2, right? Let me actually write this. This is 2 out of the 3 that's shaded this way. Right? And so notice there's 3 rows for the denominator. And then this one is 3/4 for my numerator, right? So this one's right here. And what you're looking at is how many did we double shade? So like you're looking at the darker shades, right? This is both red and purple. This is both red and purple. This is both red and purple. Right here on the right-hand side, that's only purple. Right here on the bottom, that's only red. So if I count, it's going to be there's 6 shaded total out of all of the boxes. And if you count up all the boxes, there's going to be 12 boxes, right? So if you look at there's 4 across, 3 down, 4 times 3 is 12, and this simplifies to 1/2, right? Same thing if I were to look as another example. If I wanted, let's do 1/2 of, and we're gonna go with 1, 2, 3, 1/8, right? You want half of 1/8, half of 1/8. So the way that we do this is 1/2 times 1/8. We multiply straight across. 1 times 1 in my numerator is 1. 2 times 8 in my denominator is 16. And that's how you get it, right? The other way you're looking at it is if I were to draw, I'm using my denominators. There's 2 right there. I'm going to go across 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So looking at this, this is my 8, right? 8 on the top, and I want to shade in one of those. So I'm going to go ahead and shade in one row, or one column, sorry. On the side, I've got 2, and I want half of that, right? So 1 out of 2. So I'm going to go ahead and shade that green, right? 1 row out of the 2. And if I look at what's double shaded, right, here's that 1 that's double shaded. It's both green and purple. Out of how many, right? So here is my 1 box out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, right? Let's do some more practice. So let's go ahead and do, let's do 3/8 times 2/5. Go ahead and try that one on your own and then come back to us. All right, multiplying straight across, 3 times 2 is 6, 8 times 5 is 40, right? And then don't forget, so that if you got that, that's great. But don't forget that you can simplify this because both of them are even numbers. So let's start with that. 6/40. I can divide by 2/2. Okay, look at my giant 1. And I can divide straight across 2. So if I divide 6 divided by 2, this gives me 3. 40 divided by 2 gives me 20. And this is my simplified fraction. Okay, we're going to give you a couple extra problems at the end of this ed puzzle, but that is it for this one. And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.